Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I'm going to talk about 3 avenues how you can sell your bike, and I'm going to talk about my experience with the Facebook, Craigslist, Kijiji, and eBay. So I'm going to be giving you my personal experience with all these 3. I tried them all, and I'm familiar with the pros and cons on each one of them. Just to recap over here, these 3 will also work for your bikes and BMWs. So you can sell your bike here and you can sell your cars. So the similar, very same, or let's say the similar tactic will work. And let's get into this right now. So the first one over here that I have is the Facebook Marketplace. This one is something that will give you lots of leads. So for pros, here's the pro, lots of leads on it. So as soon as you put your bike up for sale, you're gonna get lots of leads. By the way, I do apologize for the colors. My other marker ran out of color, so I'm using now red instead of blue. So the first pro with having a Facebook Marketplace setup is that you're gonna get lots of leads. And that's very nice. Your bike sells pretty quick, so that's the benefit of that. Now another one that I would put on will be lots pics. So when you open up Marketplace, they do allow you to put lots of pictures. So description is really nicely put together. It allows you to put lots of information about your bike. So the Facebook is definitely the marketplace where they have invested a lot into this description, whether you're selling a car or a bike, regardless, lots of information. Now another one that I would also give them over here, what you can do with the Facebook is the boost. Okay, boost. So you can boost your leads. Okay, so here you go. So for $1 or $2 or even $5, they will allow you to boost your ad, which will create more leads, more sales, and you get rid of your bike pretty quickly. Okay, so that is the first one. Now cons, over here, cons. From my point of view, this is going to be the very first one here. Lots. Okay. Time wasters. This is the one that I really don't like. Lots of time wasters on the Facebook. Everybody has it. People will be texting you. And that is the main downside that I don't like about this thing here. So that will be the only one that I would put over there. And that's pretty much that. Okay, so I'm going to move on now to the Craigslist. And in Canada, we have something called Kijiji, which is very similar over here. Let's start with the first one. So pro. It's free to use, just like the Facebook. So I should have mentioned over here, it's also free. Okay, that's another one. So just wanted to add up on here. So free to use. Again, everybody, you guys like the free stuff. So that's the first thing there. Another one which I found decent, lots information. So Craigslist and both Canadian and Kijiji allow you to put lots. Okay, lots. Pics, so pictures and info. So here you go. Let's put it right here. Information, lots of info. So these 2 things here will let you, do that, and that's very nice. Keep that in mind. So I just wanted to get that going down there. Okay, now it's free, lots of pictures, lots of information. Another one here that is a little different will be solid lead. So solid lead. Basically on the Craigslist, if somebody wants that bike, they will put their information, they will put a phone number, you will contact them, and then boom, that sale will go there right away. So that's something that I have found out. The leads are more solid on the Craigslist rather than the Facebook due to the time wasters. So that is something that I found there. So free, lots of pictures, lots of information, solid leads. That is something that I definitely like about Craigslist and Canadian Kijiji. Now let's go with the cons. Now cons, the one that I would give them would be a little less lead. Less lead. Basically, to be quite frank, so less leads, okay? People are kind of merging towards the Facebook, and Craigslist is getting a little bit outdated, and people are not posting as much on Craigslist as much as Facebook. So less leads will be the one. And another one, which I'm gonna slide right here, will be outdated. Okay, here we go, outdated. They don't put that much information. They don't put that much revenue in order to boost your leads, such as like a Facebook. So that is something that I would give the Craigslist a downside. Now, that's basically that. So less leads and outdated structure, which means you cannot boost if you want to pitch in to promote it. You cannot promote it on Craigslist. However, you can promote it on the Kijiji because they have stepped up their game in order to be competitive with the Facebook. So they are in a little bit of plus. So between these two, if you're in States, use Craigslist. If you're in Canada, the Kijiji will definitely be better over the Craigslist in Canada. Keep that in mind. Okay, and here's the last one here, which I'm gonna go on it, is the eBay. So definitely one of the pros about eBay is that it's worldwide available. So if you have something that's on the market, it's up there all the time. Now, second one that I like about the eBay, it's the solid offer. Okay, so solid. So for example, you're not gonna get those time wasters. There is an option there that you're gonna that you click on buy, and so you can give them an option to purchase your car or your bike, and they will just click on it and they will purchase it. So that is something that I really like. So no time wasters whatsoever. So it's worldwide and the solid leads. Okay. So that is something that I would over here. Now with the let's go down with the cons, because I can't think of any more what to say, because you have the worldwide and you have a solid leads. That's what you need. You want to sell it fast and efficient. Now let's talk about the con. Will be that they do have fees. Okay, so fees are the problem. Okay, fees. Basically, what they will do, I'm not 100% confident how much they charge, but the last time when I check, it's usually 10%. Okay, so usually what they do, it's 10% of your purchase, you're gonna get charged on your for your fees, you know. So that's something that I don't like. And basically, I cannot think of anything else apart from the fees. So that's pretty much that. So these are the pros and cons about the Facebook, Craigslist, and eBay. I hope you found this useful. Give it a thumbs up, and there you go. Bye-bye.